Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today's our video about the 1 year preparation strategy of GATE and IAS. This content only for mechanical engineering students only. So if you are not belong to that, kindly ignore this video. Okay, now we are discussing about preparation strategy. First question is, what subjects we have to learn in preparation? I am mentioning here are all subjects related to GATE and IAS syllabus. The order is not based on weightage because we have to understand the concept rather than focus on only important topics. Then the subjects are engineering mechanics, strength of materials, thermodynamics, heat and mass transfer, fluid mechanics, theory of machines, design of machine elements, manufacturing technology, and material science, power plant engineering, IC engines, turbo machinery, mechatronics and robotics, operations research, refrigeration and air conditioning. Mechanics is very important subjects because all basic concepts will cover in this subject only. Then strength of materials, thermodynamics, etc. Why I am telling this is order to learn because every subject is connect with another subjects. For example, without knowing how heat is transferred, how much heat is required, or learning heat transfer subject. Without studying heat transfer, we can't able to understand manufacturing science. That's why I am telling you to follow this order for our preparation. Next, 1 year study plan. 1 year is sufficient for a preparation. Total for 2 months, we have to complete 3 subjects. That means 15 subjects we have. So that divided into 5 parts. For completing 3 subjects, we want 2 months of time. Then for subject, 2 hours time is necessary every day for understanding overall concept. So daily 3 subjects, so 6 hours for technical subjects and other 3 hours for revision of each subject for an hour, remaining 1 hour for engineering mathematics, which is very important in our preparation. In revision means for practice problems, solving MCQs, PYQs, like that. So daily we have to spend 10 hours of time to our GATE and IAS preparation. From July to August, engineering mechanics, strength of materials, thermodynamics. We only study these 3 subjects only in these 2 months. Next, September, October, heat and mass transfer, fluid mechanics, theory of machines. November and December, design of machine elements, manufacturing technology, material science. January and February, power plant engineering, IC engines, turbo machinery. March and April, mechatronics and robotics, operations research, refrigeration and air conditioning. In May and June, we have to practice test series, mock tests, full length tests, quizzes. In April, last day, our technical subjects will definitely complete. Then what we will do in next 2 months? In May and June, we have to give test series, give topic wise mock tests, subject wise mock tests, then full length mock tests. Practicing is more important thing in our preparation. Next thing is what we have to do in preparation. Firstly, select one standard textbook for each subject, then read it carefully by understanding concepts, pictures related to that, then watch online lectures to get more clarity and understanding the subject. Then we have to prepare the notes which we have understand in book, videos, and also note down every formula in separate notebook. Then for easy revision, create flashcards, sticky notes, mind maps, etc. Solve every previous year questions which are available in books and online resources. smart work is better than hard work, then we have to manage both our preparation and also college studies, so that daily 3 subjects is enough for 2 months. For example, at morning one subject, at afternoon one subject, at evening one subject, at night revision. For your kind information, for textbook soft copies, notes, videos and quizzes, follow our Telegram channel named as MEC Concepts. Thank you so much.